This is the Hizero Bionic Mop. It is a 4-in-1 cleaning system. It is a mop, it's a sweeper, it dries, and it just self-cleans. When you turn it on, it's a quiet machine, and you just simply push back on it, and it will move for you. You don't have to do anything. It will go at whatever speed it wants to go at. It comes with this base right here, and it has your charging cord that you just simply plug into the back. So it's got this hole right here. You plug your charging cord into there and then just into an outlet to clean it. It also comes with these extra filters for the inside of the machine. And then of course your roller brush. You just let this soak and it gets soft, and then it goes inside of the machine there to clean the floors. On the back of the machine, you have your clean water tank that you just fill right here, and it snaps into place. And then below that, you have your dirty water tank. On this other side, when you push this button, this releases this top area, and it has a solid tray right here that you would just empty out with any of the things it picks up off the floor. And then it has another brush right back here that will take those solids and sweep it in here. You just snap that back into place, and your roller brush here would just go underneath in the machine.